Hey guys, I drove the bus all the way over to Eureka, which is about 80 miles away, and I want to be sleeping in it here tonight because I'm over here helping my son sand off his hardwood floors, and we're going to be refinishing them tomorrow. And I just decided to take the bus over here so I'd have a comfortable place to sleep because the guest room is being refinished too. So, and I've got my computer here hooked up to the electrical, and same with the CPAP machine. So I actually hooked up the dog bone outside. Here, let me, I'll show you. I'm using the plugs, see? And I got my computer plugged in down here, right down there. And let's go outside. I'll show you what I got going on out here. We just have it hooked up from this little 110 plug here. This little 15 amp plug. And we brought it out here, and hope it's not too bright. But anyway, I plugged it in here and flipped the breakers on. And I got it hooked up to the adapter there. See that? That's a 30 amp. Then it hooks down to a 15 amp connector, then to the 15 amp extension cord. But all the electrical works great. Got the window propped open. Gotta be careful there. Almost whacked myself on it. But on my way home, I will film a little bit of the trip driving the bus. The bus drove spectacularly. Had nothing wrong with it, and drives like a bus. It doesn't drive like a van. You know you got some. You've got a little bit of room behind you here when you're pulling it along, and but it's real strong and it runs good. So I just wanted to check in with you guys, let you know what I was doing. I'll be back to the house and start working on this thing again here real soon, within a day or so. All right, I'll talk to you guys later. Hey, good evening, campers. I'm heading home from a couple days of working on the floors at my son's house, and I spent 2 nights in the camper, and it was great. It was comfortable. There we are at Freshwater Lagoon. We're at the Lagoon State Park area, and on this side of me is the ocean. And I'm about 45 miles away from home right now, heading up to Crescent City, and just a really spectacular day here, really beautiful. And the bus is just working wonderfully. It's been flawless all the way there and back. I don't know if you can see the gauges or not, but look at the oil pressure. It's really nice. Everything's working great. Runs cool. Yeah. The only complaint I have is it drives like a bus. But the diesel, it runs out really nice. I'm having a nice trip home. Runs nice and smooth. And I should probably get off this phone, but oh, I did check out the electrical, the 30 amp circuit I put in. I got that all plugged in, and it works great. And I'm gonna go ahead and put this phone away before I get in trouble for filming and driving. Okay? So I'll talk to you guys when I get back.